Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday to you. Sorry, there is music in the background. We are open. Sorry, I'm later today. It has been a crazy, crazy, crazy day here at Aroma Thyme. For me, at least. The office has been crazy busy. We're getting ready to go on our Finger Lakes tour tomorrow, Friday to Sunday, up in the Finger Lakes. We're taking 16 people with us, so we're really looking forward to that. And so just trying to get stuff together for that. I guess I am live, so if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Sorry I was not on at 4 o'clock today. I actually jumped on the spin bike at about 4:10. I had some people come in for a little happy hour. I was getting orders together. We had some fish orders go out, and it has been non-stop for me since 9 o'clock this morning. So I apologize for being a little bit late, but I'm super happy that you are joining me and happy that you get to watch me today. So hello Sean, hello Terry, hello Florence. Thank you everybody. So our $9.99 takeout special this week is our chicken tiki masala. It's going to be served with rice to go for $9.99. Our regular menu is available as well. Hello, Tony. Thank you guys so much. It was such a pleasure to meet you. Him and his family came in last week from Florida. They came in almost every night that they were up here. It was awesome to see them. Every night we were open, at least. It was awesome to see you and to meet you, and your family is lovely. So thank you very much for coming in. And let's see, we have a wine dinner on Monday night at 6:30. 4 wines and a dish for $29. Please call ahead and make reservations for that. And there is no jazz tonight because we're doing inside dining. It is too cold outside to do jazz, so we are inside. So for further notice, until we decide if we're going to do inside jazz, there is no jazz. And next Thursday night, just so you know, we are not going to be open. We are closed for a private party. Next Thursday, November 11th, we actually have a wedding here at Aroma Thyme. Some of our special guests are getting married, so we are closing special for them. And so we are not open next Thursday, November 11th. We will be closed for a special party. I apologize ahead of time for any inconvenience that may cause. And let's see, so today I am making something called South Hill Sour. I don't get very many recipes sent to me, but when I do, I try to make them. So this was a recipe that was sent to me from a very long time guest. And the story is very funny. We met him and his wife probably when we opened our first year. Our first year that we were open, so 18 years ago, him and his wife came in. They ordered drinks and food, and they were taking pictures and making notes and talking to us. And Marcus and I immediately thought that they were food critics because they were so into everything we were doing. And they have continued to be guests of ours, not as frequent now as they used to be 18 years ago or even 15 years ago, 10 years ago. But we love them. They bring us produce all the time, stuff for us to eat. And they're very interactive with our email list and send us cool stuff all the time. So thank you, Bob and Nan. I appreciate this. So South Hill is up in Grahamsville area, and so this is their cocktail. There's 3 ingredients, super simple. It is rum, so a white rum. So I'm going to be using rum 44 from Vermont. It is from Mad River, so they also make the Mad River maple cask rum. They make a bunch of cool stuff, but this is our rum 44. We're going to be using Catskill Mountain Sugar House maple syrup and some lemon juice. So here we go. I am going to add 2 ounces of rum. And I'm going to add 1 ounce of lemon juice and about 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. And again, you can add as much maple syrup that you'd like or as little, depending on how sweet you would like it and how not sweet. So I'm going to shake that on up. Now Patrick is saying hello. I'm going to add ice to my glass. You can put it on the rocks. You can not have it on the rocks, but I'm going to add rocks here. My drink. I gotta tell you, this is a well-deserved drink today. So, cheers. Thanks everybody for watching. Hello, Wanda. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Hillary. Tom, Catherine, thank you everybody. We appreciate everybody's support. Marcus and I are super grateful. Ooh, wow, look at that color. So rum, maple syrup, and lemon juice. It is called a South Hill Sour. Ooh, woo, that's sour. Might be a little too sweet for me, so I'm gonna add a little bit more rum. We're gonna mix that on up. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So $9.99 special this week is Tiki Masala Chicken with rice to go, $9.99. Our regular menu is available as well. We got lots of people on today, so I'm just gonna repeat a couple of things. Hello, Jordan. Thank you for watching me. I'll repeat a couple things for you. We are open inside dining. We're open all weekend. It will be busy. We have a wine dinner on Monday, 4 wines and a dish for $29. Starts at 6:30, usually ends about 8:30, 9 o'clock. That is here at Aroma Thyme inside. We have, what else do we have coming up? Thanksgiving. I haven't talked about Thanksgiving in a while. We're doing takeout only. From 11 to 2 is pickup for Thanksgiving. It's our Thanksgiving dinner. 3 choices of protein. You have tofurkey, which is the vegan, salmon, and turkey, and then all of the sides that come with it, traditional sides, and then you can order pumpkin pie, which is not included. It comes with soup and salad for $35. It's a steal. Check it out on our website. And you know, if anyone wants to talk about holiday parties, Marcus and I are available for holiday parties. We can come to your house, get your friends together. We'll come to you. We'll prepare a menu, cook for you, clean up, set up, take care of everything for you at your house. You want to get 10 friends together, 15 friends together, we can do all of that for you. So think about us for your holiday needs. You want to get your family together, we can do that as well. So thank you for watching me. Hello, Jordan. Hello, Colleen and Hillary and Chris. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. I'm going to sign off. I'm going to taste this one more time with more rum. Ooh, so interestingly enough, the rum, the molasses, the cane sugar, I guess cane sugar, right? Because it's made out of cane sugar. It comes out in here with the maple syrup. I'd put a little less maple syrup, but this is an awesome dish. Very local, really awesome. Come on in and try it. Maybe we'll put it on our menu come, winter time. You can do it on the rocks, not on the rocks. Really awesome. And that's it. Cheers to everybody, and we will talk to you soon.